Alright, so let's get a little bit more complicated here. Oh, I always forget something. I'm not going to go into what it is I forget, but there's something I got to clear out before I do something on some software I'm using here. I always forget it. 2x to the third, and it's all raised to the negative third. Okay, so we're going to take this negative 3. Actually, okay, there was a shortcut. If you've been following my work on some previous problems, you know that if we have a negative up here, we can flip whatever's inside, and we're going to do that, right? Instead of going through all the algebra to get there, let's just take the shortcut. Now I can write this with a positive exponent. Okay? Now what we're going to do is take 2 raised to the third. It's x, you multiply exponents, so this becomes x to the ninth over 3 raised to the third. And this is 2 times 3, which is 6. And of course, the only thing we can do here now is just go ahead and take 2 raised to the third, which is going to end up being 8 x to the ninth over 3 to the third is 27, and y to the sixth. Okay? Right. Okay, this will be a fun one here. We have negative 3 x to the fourth, y to the seventh, and that's going to all be raised to the third power, and then over 2 times x to the negative 4 times y to the third, and it's all raised to the negative 4. So this is raised to the negative 4, so that means we can take this up into the numerator. But I'm going to go ahead and start simplifying some of this stuff. We have negative 3 raised to the third. So we multiply exponents. 4 times 3 is 12. Y to the 21st, right? 7 times 3 is 21. And bringing this stuff up into the numerator, this is going to be 2x to the negative 4 times y to the third, and it's all raised to the positive 4 because we brought this whole thing up here. Okay, negative 3 to the third is going to be negative 27, x to the 12th, y to the 21st times, and 2 raised to the 4th times x. Negative 4 times 4 is negative 16, and y to the 12th. 3 times 4 is 12. What a mess. Negative 27, x to the 12th. Let's look for some like terms. We have an x to the negative 17th, so let's pair them up. Now, I should have brought this 2 to the 4th out here, but I don't know. Let me just write it like this for right now. Times, we have a y to the 21st times y to the 12th. I can bring this over, so this becomes negative 27 times 2 to the 4th is 2 times 2 is 4, so that would be 16 times x